Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with what matters: an admin account, working internet, and the new 25-character product key. First, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Activation. Once there, you'll see Current License Status. This tells you whether you need to change the key or reactivate. Make sure Windows is updated to avoid compatibility prompts. If you see an error about restrictions, pause and check you're signed in with an admin profile before continuing. Now click Change Product Key and carefully type all 25 characters. Hyphens are added automatically, so just enter the letters and numbers. Once entered, click Next and accept any license terms. The system will attempt online activation. Make sure you remain online. If it asks to sign in, use the admin Microsoft account tied to the license. If activation succeeds, you'll see a confirmation. If it asks for a restart, allow it to complete before finish by checking activation shows Windows is activated and the correct edition. If activation failed, click Troubleshoot and follow the wizard. It can resolve common issues or offer phone activation with an automated code. Make sure to record any error code you see. That code speeds up support. If problems persist, sign into account. Microsoft. To confirm the key isn't already in use, or contact support with proof of purchase. Keep the product key and receipt stored securely for future reactivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.